Hey, it's Jason with Dad's That Cook. We are making cakes. That's right, we're making cake today. I am not a baker, I'm just telling you. I don't normally bake, but I do make some things. And one of the things that I'm going to make is angel food cake. I'm gonna try to make it just like my grandmother made, because every time I went to my grandmother's house, I'd say, make the angel food cake, use the orange, whatever you do with the orange topping, with some zest and some sugar, and make it good. And I would eat the entire cake. So I'm gonna make 4 of them. It's gonna be tasty, and we're gonna go from there. So let's hang out, let's get going on this. I need to make my egg whites first. So you can go and you can, get a bunch of eggs and crack them and take the yolks, and you can go and have a lot of fun with that if you want. It's totally up to you. But if you're lazy, like I am, I just went down and got some egg whites. We're gonna put that in the bowl. We're gonna take the cream of tartar, we're gonna put that in there. Almond extract, and then the vanilla extract. That's all gonna go in together. Now, we just need to beat it until it comes to a nice peak. Yeah, see, there's the peaks. So you don't wanna overbeat. What happens if you overbeat it, then it just turns into mush again. So cake flour, you gotta sift the cake flour, the sugar, and the salt. Put the salt in there. Let's put that in here. It's fine. And we gotta do it 5 times. You want it nice and thin. And again, I'm probably doing it all wrong, but I don't care. All right, so let's try combining these things. So I gotta take the dry ingredients, but we gotta blend the egg whites in with the dry ingredients. So I'm gonna put all the dry ingredients in this big ass pot, right? Take the egg whites and we gotta slowly fold that in, okay? You don't wanna overdo it. Any cake baker out there is probably laughing at my ass right now, but that's okay, I don't care. I'm sure they're gonna come out just fine. We're just gonna have to cross our fingers today, folks. I am definitely doing 1 at a time next time. I'm thinking, oh, I'm gonna save myself some time here, and I'm just gonna, do 2 at a time. This one's a little different, because normally you would think put it in a hot oven, but no. This one says put it in a cold oven. So my oven's cold. I'm gonna stick it in there. I drop the rack down a little bit because otherwise it gets too high. And I'm gonna put both of them in. 325 for about an hour. We're gonna find out how these things turn out. Otherwise, I might be running down to the store and buying more supplies. Now, we need to make the frosting. I got a bunch of oranges. I got a ton of sugar. Very simple, very easy. This is probably the easiest frosting you're ever gonna make. So you basically just put this convection sugar in there. It's a lot of sugar, but you know what? I'm making several cakes. The best thing to do is to do this first and then get the juice out. Get that in there. See how that comes out? All right, so there's 2. I think this is pretty good, actually. I think it's about the right consistency. Okay, let's check out the cakes. Oh yeah, look at that. Looks good. Now, my next batch, I'm hoping I get them up a little higher. Pop these upside down like so. Now we just gotta let those guys cool down. And let's see if we can slide that off. There we go, look at that. I'm just gonna go on the top. Okay, so that's our angel food cake. So they came out great, they look awesome. I can't wait to taste them, but they're going to a party, so I can't slice and dice into it. So I'll have to do that later. Anyway, I'm fired up, can't wait. So make yourself some angel food cake. I know your family will love it. It's amazing. So, just like grandma. Anyway, I'll see you next time, Dad's That Cook. Go check out the recipe, and we'll see you around. Hey, thanks for watching. You want to see more cool videos like this one on Dad's That Cook? Make sure you subscribe. You want to win some really cool stuff? Subscribe. You want to get notified? Make sure you know what's going on? Subscribe.